The Cattle Farm Tract is a 107-acre hunting and recreational tract in Florence County near Lake City Country Club and offers an excellent opportunity for hunters, timber investors, and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Most of the property is covered in well-established 12-year-old pines, providing a great long-term investment opportunity for timber management and income generation. The tract is perfect for hunting, offering abundant wildlife, including deer and turkey. There is also a secluded beaver pond at the back, which is a haven for ducks, ideal for waterfowl enthusiasts. The property offers convenient access via a deeded road off Dennis Road, ensuring both privacy and accessibility. It's also convenient to Florence and I-95. For more information, call Zeb Freeman at 843-992-5343.